guys, here's another lesson on ukulele playing, playing chords. We're going to learn 3 chords today and the exercises that go with them. Excuse me, this is taken from Little Rev's book, Ukulele Method, Book 1. This is on page 23. First chord we're going to look at is a C chord. You take your 3rd finger or 2nd and put it on the 3rd fret and then play all the strings. That's a C chord. Then we have an F chord. 2nd finger goes on the G string, and then 1st finger goes on the E string, 1st fret. That's what it looks like. And you play all those strings as well. Another one is a G7 chord. Put your 1st finger on the 1st fret on the E string, C string, 2nd fret, 2nd finger, 3rd finger. Okay. Then this is a G7. If you play guitar, very much the same forms. Okay. What I do is I break the exercise on 32 on page 23 down into small bite-sized pieces. So what we're going to do is we're going to just use our thumb. We're just going to play it like that, and we're going to play the first line. We're going to play C, 4 strums per bar. We're in 4/4 time. So C will be 8 times, G7 will be 4 times, and then C will be 4 times. So it sounds like this: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Then go to G7. 1, 2, 3, 4. Then back to C. 3, 4. All right, that's the first one. Let's do it again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. G7 4 times, and then back to C. Okay, next one. It's supposed to be a C chord. I just write in C there. On the next line, you're going to play C 4 times, F 4 times, C 4 times, F 4 times, then C 4 times. Again, C 4 times, F 4 times, C 4 times, F 4 times, then C 4 times. 3rd line, you're going to play C 4 times, F for 2 bars, total of 8 times, and then C 2 bars 8 times. Okay, let's do it again. C for a bar, then F for a bar, 2 bars, and then back to C, 2 bars. And the final line is, again, it's supposed to be played all at once, which we're going to do at the end. But you just break it down, and you can just get the moves down, and then you can put it all together. Then here we're going to play G7 for 2 bars, which would be a total of 8 times. And then back to C, 2 bars. Alright, G7 again. Alright, 8 times. Then C. Now what we're going to do is we're going to now put it all together. So we're going to play, so if you break each one down and play each one separately, that's a good exercise. And then what you can do is you can now just play the whole thing. So C for 2 bars, G7 for 1 bar, C for 2 bars, F 1 bar, C 1 bar, F 1 bar, C 1 bar, 2 bars, sorry, F 2 bars, back to C, 2 bars. Alright, now G7 for 2 bars, and then back to C. that's basically that. That's a great way to get your chord switching. Another thing you can do is just switch the chords. Play each one 4 times. C 4 times, F 4 times, G7 4 times, and back to C 4 times. Okay? Now look at common fingers also. I'm going to C to F. There's not much common fingers going there. But F to G7, there's that first finger, and just leave that there when you're playing that. And then when you go from G7 to C, take these two off and slide it over. So look for common fingers. So the exercise is each 4 times. F 4 times, G7 4 times, C 4 times. Another one would be C 3 times, F 3 times, G7 3 times, C. Then each one 2 times. Alright. Next, each one once. So let's try this. And then what I do is I just look at the chords and I play F, and then I'll go to C, and then maybe F again, and then G7, and then C. Alright, so that should keep you busy, and just practice those chords. And you can practice them while you're watching TV, you know, during commercials. So we'll see you next time, and enjoy the lesson, please. Bye-bye.